Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And somebody asked me if he didn't have the Wi-Fi password, but he was connected to his Wi-Fi with his computer. Is there a way to actually know the password for the Wi-Fi? So, of course, there are several ways to know your password. Of course, if you have access to your router's internal menu, that is one way. But in the case where you're connected to a Wi-Fi, you have no idea what the password is, but you are connected, and that is the important thing. Your PC needs to be connected, but maybe you forgot the Wi-Fi password. Maybe it's somebody that set it up for you, and you don't know what it is. How do you get that information? Well, in Windows 10 and Windows 11, you can actually find your Wi-Fi password. So what you need to do is go into the search box in Windows 10 or 11 and go into the control panel. In the control panel, you will actually click on Network and Sharing Center. There you will see your internet connection and where you're connected. Click on that. And then go into Wireless Properties, Security, and then go into Show characters of the network security key. This is your Wi-Fi password. So this is the one that I used temporarily for this video. And so it tells you what the Wi-Fi password is. So just take note of it and make sure that you don't forget it. But as long as you're connected, you have the possibility to actually find the Wi-Fi password within Windows 10. Windows 11 works the same way. Just go to the control panel and the network center, network connection center. Once again, I'm just going to show you. All you have to do is go to control panel. Once again, you just search for it in the search box, control panel, network and sharing. If you don't see this, by the way, you might be in, because by default there's categories like this. If you have categories, go into large icons and Network and Sharing Center. Click your Wi-Fi connection that you see, Wireless Properties, Security, and put a check mark and Show Characters. Will show you your Wi-Fi password. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.